Today we're doing an open house to try to look at some houses, compare some square footage, kind of see what we want to do as far as our new construction. The house that we're actually seeing today is a pre-existing home. I believe it's about 4,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's priced at $650, and that's kind of the normal here in Cincinnati if you want a decent sized home. So we're gonna see Rudy and Zuri. Hopefully it has everything that I like, but I'll take you all in and so you all can see it as well. This laundry room is nice. It's like the new construction builds, they don't do that anymore. Bathroom. It's a nice walk-in closet. It's a nice shower. It's another closet. This is nice size. Love this bathroom. Nice big bath. Garden tub like. So this is the master. It's pretty. It's the view from the master. So these are like all brick homes. And this house is about 4,100 square feet. Formal dining room. Some double doors in the front. It's a nice study. It's enough space. Go upstairs. I think Rudy beat me upstairs already. One of the kids' bedrooms. Oh, they got a Jack and Jill bathroom, so they share. The house I grew up in that my mom built, our bathrooms was Jack and Jill's too. It's so convenient. Love the overlook. Nice little loft. I would turn that into a play area. It's another bedroom. Hi. It's another bathroom. What you think about the size?
A privacy fence along the property line.
Okay.
Like all the way to the trees.
Yeah.
To there. And then I would also clean out some of that. Like I have an amazing backyard, but mine is like my house is further down. But you could totally create more back.
So we're at house number 2. We're in Anderson, Ohio. Ooh. It's Ashford Homes. That's the builder. So that's the house that we're gonna go see. It is 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and it's priced at almost $1 million for new construction, because that's so typical here in Cincinnati. Square footage is about 4,500 square feet, 3,500 square feet. Sorry. So we're gonna go in, see what it looks like. They got a lot of lots available too. So front porch is beautiful. This is definitely giving farmhouse vibes.
Hello.
The high ceilings. It's the wine cellar. And the formal dining room. That is beautiful. The entryway is really nice. It's a bathroom. Go this way. Ooh, mud room. That's pretty. It's a 2-car. Look like 3 cars, probably 2. It's a laundry room. So if you bought now, we couldn't move in until next year. It's bath, kitchen. Closet. A pantry. And double oven. It's a gas grill though. So this is a kitchen. And the living room from the kitchen. Yeah. I would turn this into a breakfast nook. Alright. So right when you come upstairs, you have the masters. It's a decent size master. My type of tub right there. It's a nice big shower. It's a walk-in closet. So decent size. So you can overlook here. Yeah, that's why I was like, it's a little small. Because even the closet in the master, it's not that much space in comparison to the last house. That's a Jack and Jill bathroom. It's cute. It's another bedroom. It's cute. Basement. The bathroom. That's it. This can't be it. Okay. It's not finished. It's more space. I was like, it can't be all the space. It's a kitchen again. outside. The balcony's nice. You ain't got that much backyard though. I just can't pay $1 million for this. Ohio is pricey. That's why I need to move down to the south. You get more bang for your buck. But that is beautiful though. Just needs more space. $1 million in Cincinnati.